Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever struggled to add accent marks or special characters to your text in Canva, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a quick and reliable way to add those essential accents so your words look professional and polished, whether you're designing for school, business, or social media. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add accent marks to any text you create in Canva, and trust me, it's much easier than it might seem. Alright, let's dive straight in. First things first, go ahead and open Canva on your browser. If you haven't already made an account, just sign up. It's free and pretty straightforward. Once you're in, look for the big purple Create a Design button, usually at the top right corner of the screen. Give it a click and you'll see a few options pop up. For this tutorial, select Custom Size. Now type in 100 by 100 pixels. This is a small, manageable size that's perfect for testing the steps we're about to do. Hit the Create New Design button, and Canva will set up a fresh, blank canvas for you to work on. Next up, let's add some text. On the left side, you'll see a menu with different elements you can add. Click on the Text tab, then choose Add a Text Box. Click into the text box that appears and type out the word you want to use. Maybe you're writing cafe, resume, jalapeno, or any word that needs a special touch. Type it normally without any accent marks for now. Now here comes the part that trips up a lot of people, adding those accent marks. Unfortunately, Canva's built-in fonts and keyboard options don't always make it easy to type accents directly, especially if you're working on an English keyboard or using a device where you can't easily insert special characters. But don't worry, there's a painless workaround. Open a new tab in your browser and head to https://www.accentletters.com/. This free website is super handy. It lists a ton of letters with all sorts of accent marks, acute, grave, tilde, umlaut, you name it. Simply find the letter you need with the accent mark you want. For example, if you need any acute, just click on it and it'll automatically copy to your clipboard. If you need something a bit rarer like in tilde or u umlaut, they have you covered as well. Once you've copied the accented character, head back to your Canva tab. Now click into your text box again and position your cursor exactly where you want the accent mark to go. You can delete the plain letter you typed earlier, then just paste the accent version right in its place. If your word has several letters that need accents, just repeat the process as many times as you need. Go back to accent letters, copy, and paste. It's quick, and after you do it once or twice, you'll get the hang of it. And truly, that's it. You've just added accent marks to your Canva design without any fuss. Give your word a quick look to make sure everything's right, maybe adjust the font or size for that perfect fit. Remember, not all fonts support all accented characters, so if something looks off, try switching to another font until it displays correctly. So there we have it, a simple step-by-step way to get those all-important accent marks in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with other Canva features. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.